documents that are required for audit. Data flow diagrams. A physical diagram of your office, corporate governance manual, code of conduct and ethics, risk management plan, compliance program budget, business associate and vendor agreements, business continuity and incident response plans and testing logs, IT documentation. A physical inventory of all devices on your network, equipment maintenance records, your information security plan, including system configurations, data retention and destruction policies, policies for outsourced software development, acceptable use policies, encryption policies, implementation requirements, password requirements, access logs, system backup logs, system update logs and patch records, HR documentation, your organizational chart and employee handbook, a list of roles and responsibilities for each of your compliance-related positions, access levels for each of your employees, onboarding documentation, e.g., evidence of background checks for new employees, termination process documentation, e.g., termination checklist, evidence of timely removal of physical and system access for terminated employees, security awareness training logs, disciplinary action plans for violations of company policy, privacy documentation, your notice of privacy practices, data use agreements, unsubscribe and opt-out policies, confidentiality agreements, results of other compliance audits, prior compliance assessment reports, previous risk assessments, self-assessment questionnaires, if applicable corrective action plans and penetration testing and vulnerability scan results, audit meetings. Initial meetings will determine the audit scope and sample size against the audit standards used for the audit. During the audit, the meetings are done to conduct various tests to see whether standards prescribed to what level are met. After the audit, the meetings are done to explain and discuss the deficiencies found and remediations to be applied. Audit report. The audit plan has been used. Summary of the process followed. Areas that are not covered in the scope of the audit. The report should consist of major/minor findings in which first it has positive results followed by nonconformities. Follow-up plan and confidentiality regarding the audit. The people who will be getting a copy.
Created using my2.